party started. Are you guys ready for a good time? That was horrible. Are you guys ready for a good time? How you guys doing? My name is Leo. I'll be the tour guide. The captain's name is Captain Lucas, and your best friend on this boat is the bartender. Guys, this tour is in English and in Spanish. Any other language, you're stuck. Buenas tardes a todos, mi nombre es Leo. Voy a ser el guía por el día de hoy. El capitán se llama Capitán Lucas. Y su nuevo amigo es el que va a ser el bartender. Este lo va a hacer en inglés y en español. En francés, en chino, en portugués, nada de eso. Guys, before we get started, I do have some safety. Ahí también hacemos todos los conciertos de Miami. Cuando van a Justin Bieber, Jennifer Lopez, Mark Anthony, Drake, hasta yo, me pongo en todas las veces la Macarena. Alright guys, we are giving today away a free raffle to a free vacation. All you're gonna be is over 89. I'm playing 21. Fill out those little pieces of paper, and at the end of the tour, I will be announcing the winners. Good luck to all of you guys. Bueno, estamos dando unas rifas gratis para unas vacaciones gratis. Nada más tienen que ser mayores de 21 años. Llenan unos papelitos que ahora están pasando y al final de tour menciono los ganadores. Suerte a todos.
Out of New Jersey, Money B telling me about a party up in NYC. Can I make it there, Mark? Next flight, first class, sitting next to Ben White.
On the left. Over here on the left with this blue car, boat is parked. The house with the brown roof. Esta casa aquí a la izquierda con el bote azul parqueado y el techo garmelita. He's also an actor, comedian, and he's also a master in the martial arts. Esto es un actor, comediante, también es maestro en las artes espaciales. He did the movie Rush Hour, Jackie Chan. Whenever he's not there, guys, he rents that house on the Airbnb out for only $7,000 a night. Y cuando él está ahí en renta esa casa, en la versión de Airbnb, usualmente, $7,000 la noche. White House right here on the right. the third right hand, the one that's in the right leg. Esa casa que está ahora a la derecha blanquita. Le pertenece a un actor muy famoso y blanco sobre el primer actor, Matt Damon.
Chị đến đâu tìm người thì người ta
And if you guys look over here now to the left, that small house with the 4 windows on top and the yacht Discover parked in front of it. Let me just, the small house on the left in front with the 4 windows on top with the yacht parked in front. Esta casa aquí a la izquierda, chiquitica con las 4 ventanas arriba y un yate que está cubierto, parqueado adelante. The mansion is right in front of that small house. La mansión está justamente delante de la casa pequeña esa. That property used to belong to a very famous gangster. Esa propiedad le pertenecía a un mafioso muy conocido aquí en Miami,
nên lì cho phá luôn.
Al Capone. And that property have a tunnel that goes underneath, leads to the backyard, and that's the tunnel that he used to use to get away from the cops or anyone that wanted to come and harm him. He used to get on his boat and just fly out of here. Al Capone passed away back in 1947. Esa casa tiene un túnel que sale aquí afuera, aquí atrás fuera del patio. Tiene un túnel que lo usaba para escaparse de la policía o de alguien que venía a hacer algún tipo de daño. Se montaba en su bote y salía de aquí volando. Falleció en el año 1947.
Got a gator out to the front left. Alright, tour's over. Time to go back. No, this one kind of, we've seen this one that sits out here before. Usually when these other boats probably fire up, he's probably going to go under. But this is probably about an 8-foot gator, which is a decent size for out here. This is a pretty good size. You guys see all those little bumps and fins on his back? It's all got these fins. Each one of those is called a scoot. What the scoots do is it's the parts of the alligator that absorb the sunlight and the heat. 1 second here. Absorb that sunlight and heat. Alligators are cold-blooded, they're reptiles, so throughout the day they need to sit in the sun to warm up their body. And the parts that really absorb that sunlight and heat are called scoots, which are all those little fins you see there. It's basically the alligator solar panels. That's the way to kind of put it. Now, when I was saying this is a decent sized one, it is for out here. Normally they're a little bit smaller, not a lot bigger, or not a lot. They're not a lot bigger than this, most of them. Reason that is, out here we have a lot of water, not much dry ground in all the area we're going to be we're running in. So their main source of food is mostly fish, which is kind of a small meal. Areas where they have more dry ground, they'd have bigger things running around, hog, turkey, deer, bigger things they eat, longer and bigger they're going to get in length. But out here, since it's mostly just fish, kind of on a strict diet. Now this guy's probably done for a little while because I've heard these boats already start firing up. So we'll actually get out there and start cruising. Hopefully we can find another one.
đấy chỉ thay đấy chỉ cho thay đấy chứ mà cái chơi vậy nhung coi bấm phan đâu rồi nó cái muốn thiệt khé nữa muốn thiệt khé anh thiệt nông thiệt ở đi đến được rồi chuyện như hà xong đó thì phải chơi giờ để cho cái chơi giống con nó phải kia rồi dân lụa kia rồi cái như hành chuyện như hành cho hành nhỏ đầu tiên được phải nó cái tu có tu cái tu thế họ cái thiên nông tên nó thì cứ đặc án lò thì xưa thì sẽ nói gì bây giờ đặc án lò chơi lúc niệm bà lo tao nó nè chơi đặc án chơi ông bà nó chơi bây giờ đặc án một lời có tiền không theo có tiền chơi bự đó rồi đặc án thâu bé mình chơi bự này chờ ông bà nói ở sẵn cho ở chơi nha nè thì cứ nó trò lên rồi nên sái thì nó chọn rồi nên cho ứ tổ và xí đó loại dễ cưng cổ theo nó ứ lọ dễ cười thế này